guys, Donna Coker here with Donna Coker's A Cherry Bloom Handmade Soaps, and we are here today to cut a soap from my Spa Bloom collection. This is lemongrass and sage. So let's go ahead and just take a little off the end here, just a small amount. Again, this is a very simple soap because it is for the Spa Bloom collection. It smells delectable. This is one of the new collections. Another one is our Caveman collection for men. And it's really late at night, so just trying to get some things done. And again, I did not have time to set everything up when I was making soaps because I was making different soaps back to back. So yeah, I just did not have time. Love the way the tops turned out. I did add a little bit of shimmer to them. Alright guys, I'm not going to keep you on here for the entire cut. Just thought I would bring you along. Again, this is lemongrass and sage. It smells wonderful. It looks really pretty. And it will be in our Spa Blooms collection. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you'll hit like and subscribe. And watch some of my other videos. If you do, you can connect with us on Facebook at A Cherry Bloom, on Instagram, A Cherry Bloom, my website, acherrybloom.com. And I hope you will. Okay. See you later guys. Bye.